Not much going on today either. Have my first closing shift, so I'm not really looking forward to that. Ugh. I'm not looking forward to this. This is gonna suck. So today at work's been a pretty good day. First there was a hawk chasing a pigeon flying around. A pigeon hid in the kitchen section, and the hawk kept flying around. And apparently some 60-year-old lady caught the hawk and then threw it outside. So the pigeon is still like in our store. And then there's this little girl, and she was with her mom and dad, and I think her little sister. And I was walking by, and she's like, "That's a pretty girl." And then her parents were like, "What?" She's like, "She is." It's like, my heart, you're so sweet. Have the day off of work today, which is just making me dread work tomorrow because we apparently have inventory and I'm scheduled for an 8-hour shift. And I had one of my coworkers tell me yesterday, don't be surprised if you don't leave after your shift's over. They may need you to stay later. Like, not looking forward to that. I mean, if it was like a 5-hour day and then I had to stay late, that'd be different. But like, to be scheduled 8 and then be told that you might have to stay even longer, definitely gonna make sure that I take my breaks tomorrow. I also made some tuna salad sandwiches. So, haven't had this in a while. Very good. Haze will want some. So thankful to have such an amazing connection with animals in general, but mainly dogs throughout my life. They seriously understand when you're upset and always do their best to make you feel better. And I can't thank Hazel enough for knowing that mommy's upset and helping me feel better. I really needed it today. Get it, Haze. Go get it. That came like that.
Okay. So I was gonna say that's pretty impressive.
But Derek added like 2 more, so.
I didn't know how to respond.
Yeah, we've got a Boy Scout in the group, clearly.
Yeah.
So, a little story time from the Otter Tail, which was all the rafts and stuff. Holly's shoe came off about 2-3/4 of the way through the trail, and so she went to get off the raft and get it, and then she ended up getting carried away by the current. So everybody tried to get her. Well, nobody could grab her, so I got out of my raft and went after her, and ended up getting a nice little battle scar from saving her. And I'm also like super burnt. So what else is new?